Namaste Ishan.
Namaste Kuldeep Mammu.
We are going ahead with Bhagavad Gita, chapter 1, shlokas 16, 17 and
18.
okay. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Ananta Vijayam Raja.
Ananta Vijayam Raja.
Kunti Putro Yudhishthirah.
Kunti Putro Yudhishthirah.
Nakulas Sahadevascha.
Nakulah Sahadevascha.
Sughoṣamani Pushpakau.
Sughoṣamani Pushpakau.
Okay, now a few corrections, let us see. Ananta Vijayam Raja.
Ananta Vijayam Raja.
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 Kunti Putro Yudhishthirah.
Kunti Putro Yudhishthirah.
Nakulas Sahadevascha.
Nakulah Sahadevascha.
Sughoṣamani Pushpakau.
Sughoṣamani Pushpakau.
You are saying it as mani, no, mani.
Mani.
Yeah, Sughoṣamani Pushpakau.
Sughoṣamani Pushpakau.
So, Sughoṣa, sha is different from sha, you know. So, Sughoṣamani Pushpakau.
Sughoṣamani Pushpakau.
Say it, mani. Sughoṣamani Pushpakau.
Sughoṣamani Pushpakau.
Uttamam. Now, 17th shloka. Okay. Kasyascha parameshvasah.
Kasyascha parameshvasah.
Shikhandi cha maharathah.
Shikhandi cha maharathah.
Dhrishtadyumno viratascha.
Dhrishtadyumno viratascha.
Satyakischa parajitah.
Satyakischa parajitah.
When you say sa, don't say this. Sa. Satyakischa parajitah.
Satyakish.
Properly. Say properly. Satyakischa parajitah.
Satyakischa parajitah.
Again. Kasyascha parameshvasah.
Kasyascha parameshvasah.
Uttamam. Shikhandi cha maharathah.
Shikhandi cha maharathah.
Shikhandi cha maharathah.
Shikhandi cha maharathah.
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 Dhrishtadyumno viratascha.
Dhrishtadyumno viratascha.
Satyakischa parajitah.
Satyakischa parajitah.
Now, shall we go ahead with 18th shloka?
Okay, Mama.
Okay. Drupado Draupadeyascha.
Drupado Draupadeyascha.
Sarvashah Prithivipate.
Sarvashah Prithivipate.
Yeah, Sarvashah Prithivipate becomes Sarvashah Prithivipate.
Sarvashah Prithivipate.
Saubhadrascha Mahabahuhu.
Saubhadrascha Mahabahuhu.
Shankhan Dadhmuh Prithak Prithak.
Shankhan Dadhmuh Prithak Prithak.
Shankhan Dadhmuh Prithak Prithak.
Shankhan Dadhmuh Prithak Prithak.
Drupado Draupadeyascha.
Drupado Draupadeyascha.
Sarvashah Prithivipate.
Sarvashah Prithivipate.
Saubhadrascha Mahabahuhu.
Saubhadrascha Mahabahuhu.
Shankhan Dadhmuh Prithak Prithak.
शङ्खान् दध्मुः पृथक् पृथक्
शङ्खान् दध्मुः पृथक् पृथक्
शङ्खान् दध्मुः पृथक् पृथक्
Okay. Now, shall we chant all these 3 shlokas together?
ओके ममो
Okay. अनन्तविजयं राजा कुन्तीपुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः नकुलः सहदेवश्च सुघोषमणिपुष्पकौ काश्यश्च परमेश्वासः शिखण्डी च महारथः दृष्टद्युम्नो विराटश्च सात्यकिश्चापराजितः द्रुपदो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्वशः पृथिवीपते सौभद्रश्च महाबाहुः शङ्खान् दध्मुः पृथक् पृथक्. So last few shlokas Bhagavad Gita is mentioning about Shankhas, conches of both Pandavas and Krishna. Okay, tell me who all are Pandavas. Tell me the names of Pandavas.
युधिष्ठिर
Yudhishthir? No, you have to say it in Sanskrit. Yudhishthirah. Okay, tell me at least Yudhishthira. Okay, Yudhishthira.
युधिष्ठिर भीम
Bhima. Say it loudly.
युधिष्ठिर भीम अर्जुन नकुल सहदेव
Nakula Sahadeva. Okay, so you know the names of Pandavas. Now, tell me the name of Hrishikesha's conch.
पांचजन्यम
Panchajanyam. Panchajanyam.
ऋषिकेशः
Okay. Panchajanyam. Panchajanya. Now tell me Arjuna's conch.
देवदत्तम
Devadattam. Devadattam.
धनंजयः
Devadattam Dhananjayah. No? So Dhananjaya is
अर्जुन
Arjuna. Now Bhima's conch is known as
पौंड्रम
Poundram. Poundram Dadhmau Mahashankham.
भीमकर्मा वृकोदरः
Very good. Uttamam. Now Yudhishthira's conch is known as
अनंत विजयम
Ananta Vijaya. Ananta Vijayam Raja
कुंती पुत्रो युधिष्ठिरः
Kunti Putro Yudhishthirah. Nakula's conch.
सुघोष
Nakula's conch is known as Sughosha. Sahadeva's
मणिपुष्पक
Manipushpaka. Very good. So you know all the names of Shankhas mentioned in Bhagavad Gita. Now there are no names mentioned for Kauravas, Shankhas and all that. Only main names are given. Main names are given of Pandavas and Krishna, Hrishikeshas. You know, this Shankha is a very important instrument used in our culture, Sanatana Dharma. Okay?
ओके ममो
Tell me, Sanatana Dharma.
सनातन धर्म
Sanatana Dharma.
सनातन धर्म
Sanatana Dharma. How beautiful it is. No? Sanatana Dharma. Aha. Okay, now this Shankha is a symbol of purity and auspiciousness. Purity and auspiciousness. Auspiciousness means Sarva Mangala. I've taught you what Sarva Mangala is. Tell me what Sarva Mangala is.
सर्वमंगला means everything good
Everything good. Now, that is why this Shankha is kept in every household, every puja room. In olden days, we used to have this Shankha. Nowadays, we don't know. We have to keep it for purity and auspiciousness. Okay?
ओके ममो
And you must have seen Shankha used in the temples for all the rituals. At the beginning of the rituals, they use this Shankha. No? Shankha, then
Bheri.
Bheri, tata Shankhascha Bheryascha. Even in the war. Yes. Then
बेल
bells. Yeah, you know. Have you seen Shankha anywhere?
Yes, Mamu.
Where? Tell me.
In my home, I have seen one.
Oh, you have one at your home, right?
Yes, Mamu.
Okay. Where else you must have seen?
In your Namo Bharatambe song, I have seen you blowing one shankha.
Which song?
Namo Bharatambe song.
Namo Bharatambe song. Where in that song? Which portion in that song?
In the beginning,
In the beginning. Who is blowing that?
Mama is blowing that.
Oh, Mammo is blowing that along with Suryaka. But Suryaka is not blowing that. No? Only Mammo is blowing that. Suryaka is doing like this, doing prayers. No?
Yes.
So in Namo Bharatambe song, right? So you got reminded of that. So, do you know how to blow Shankha?
No, Mamu.
Okay. What I'll do is, I'll teach you, maybe after 2-3 years. Now if you try to blow Shankha, maybe Shankha will blow you. It's very difficult. It's a little bit difficult. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
So now, through these shlokas, you have learnt about Shankha. Shankhanada. Okay?
Okay, Mamu.
Enough for today. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Do prayers. Very good. Why are you looking like that? Okay.